ever aspired to elevate your kitchen's sophistication? Today, I'll guide you through exciting ideas for a luxurious transformation. Before delving into tips, envision this. Crafting an expensive look in your kitchen involves injecting luxury, tailoring your space, and infusing it with personality. Now, let's explore ways to enhance your kitchen. Commence with the basics. Consider upgrading the faucet and drawer pulls. Often overlooked, these elements wield a significant impact on your kitchen's aesthetic. Swap out that worn-out faucet, coordinate metals, and contemplate matching or mixed hardware for a harmonious feel. A game changer. Extend your cabinets to the ceiling. This not only is grandeur, but can be achieved without a full-scale renovation. Embrace the magic using definite paint to create the illusion of ceiling-height cabinets. Now, let's talk lighting, a pivotal element in setting the ambience. Hanging pendants and incorporating LED strips under cabinets provide both functionality and a touch of luxury. For larger kitchens, introduce freestanding lights, like task lamps, to add an extra layer to your lighting plan. Splash some color. While neutrals remain timeless, introducing a pop of color through backsplashes, vibrant appliances, or bold cabinetry can elevate your kitchen's style. Enter the world of paneled appliances for seamless sophistication. Despite being a tad pricier, the undeniable visual impact makes it a worthwhile investment. Quick tip: maintain cleanliness. A clutter-free kitchen, regardless of its beauty, exudes luxury. Considered the golden rule for achieving an expensive-looking kitchen. In conclusion, crafting a luxurious kitchen involves making thoughtful choices and infusing personal touches. Thanks for embarking on this journey to upgrade your kitchen aesthetics. Until next time, happy designing, and may your kitchen always reflect the luxury you deserve.